To make an EdPuzzle video, get an account and sign in. This will be your home page. There's a couple of things that you can do. You can just do a search for like plate tectonics, say, and see what other people have come up with. Or if you have a particular video in mind that you want to show, you can go up to YouTube and I want to show this. So I would copy the address and then go back to EdPuzzle and then put it in here and then search. The video that I want to edit and add questions to will come up. Now, since I already have part 1, 2, and 3 of this, I want to make part 4 of it because the video itself, the whole video is an hour and 5 minutes long, and I'm actually making sections of it at a time. So in order to cut the video, up here says cut. So you play your video.
Lived in warm, shallow marine environment.
You go to the
animal.
You go to the area that you want to cut. It just so happens that I know that I'm going to need to cut this right around here. Okay.
On the Rodinia supercontinent.
All right, so what I want to do is I want to cut all of this off because I already made a video with that. So I just move this over to where that is. I think it was 33 minutes, something like that. Oh. Okay, so I want to cut it right here. Now it's making a liar out of me. Ah, there you go. You had to have it playing and then add cut. Okay, so I added a cut there and I'm going to get rid of all of that. I also want to put some questions in here now. So if I go to my questions, now if you look, the video is much shorter. It's going to start here, hopefully. Okay, let's make sure it works. Yay! Okay, so when you want to add questions, you would come up here and you would hit questions. And then maybe you're going to do multiple choice, open-ended, or maybe just add a written comment or audio note or something like that. So I'm going to click on this because I'm at a point where I want to add a question just about there.
Collisions created more diverse surface environments. Bays and gulfs on large continents were especially well supplied with nutrients from upstream. Making use of these nutrients, Cambrian-era life forms diversified much more quickly. The Cambrian explosion created some 35 new phyla. These phyla became the foundation for the types of plants and animals we see today. There are three main ways that life evolved. Mass extinctions that eradicated many species. Stem evolution that hastened genetic mutations when continents broke apart. And crown evolution that hastened biodiversification when continents collided.
Okay, so now I want to add a multiple choice question. And my multiple choice question is going to be, what are 3 ways, or how about this? Which of the following is not, yeah, I can spell, one of the 3 ways in which species evolved? And then I would put mass extinction. Yeah, I can spell. Stem evolution. I want to add another answer choice. And maybe I'll put Vandross evolution. I was listening to Luther Vandross earlier, that's why. And then crown evolution. So then I can check here and see exactly what I want to do. Maybe which is following is not one of the three ways in which species evolved or helped species evolve. Which helped? Three ways which. Whoops. Helped species evolve. There we go. All right. And then just save it. So now I'm looking at this and it's like, whoa, I have an extra one. That's kind of weird. I did this wrong. So I can come here and I can edit it. Okay. And I can bring this up here. And maybe I want to make this bold and underline it for emphasis. And then save it again. The answer to this is Vandross evolution. So I would just click Vandross evolution and then save. And then I can continue on. Oh.
So the evolution of life is inextricable.
All right, I want to get rid of mass extinction. There you go. All right, I got it now. All right, and then you just continue on until you come up.
The evolution of life is inextricable.
That you want to ask a question. Okay, so I added 4 questions here, 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 and here. And I'm at a point where I'm really close to where I want to cut this half off. So put this.
The emergence of new creatures that would evolve into humans was close at hand.
I want to cut now. So I'm going to put that off. I'm going to come up here to cut. And I'm going to move this right here to where I want it cut. So it's approximately here. There you go. Once I'm finished with that, I'm going to hit finish. Okay, so now my video is here with the 4 multiple choice questions. I want to assign it to my class, which I had set up already. So assign, and I'm going to assign it to 9th grade science, and then assign. Okay, and then I can go back to my classes. And here it is. It's right here. Okay, I should have probably edited it before I assigned it, but you can edit the name. There we go. And this would be day 4. There we go. You can share an assignment if you want to. So if I want to send this to you, I can just click share assignment, give you the link, put in the embed code or whatever, but that's not how to use it with Canvas. So I'm going to go to my content right here, and the finished edition should be, I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Even though it didn't actually change the name, I should have changed it beforehand. But in any case, all right, that's how you do this.